Hi guys, welcome to Agriculture Engineering.
Today our topic is tractor system operation and maintenance. First bit, the force in the direction of travel developed by the traction device medium and transferred to this vehicle is dash traction. Tractor which have endless chain or a track in the place of pneumatic wheels are called dash traveler tractor. The complete path of power from the engine to the wheels is called dash powertrain. The speed reducing mechanism equipped with several gears is known as dash system, power transmission system. The difference in the distance of the center line of the back end and, front wheel of tractor is known as towing. Device used on tractors for transmission of power for multiplying the torque of engine is dash hydrokinetic transmission or torque converter. The special arrangement of gears to permit one of the rear wheel of the tractor to rotate a slower or faster than the other is dash differential unit. The bevel pinion is meshed with a large bevel with wheel is known as dash crown wheel. The system governing the angular movement of front wheels of the tractor is called dash steering system. Brake system based on the Pascal's law is hydraulic system. Constant depth of plowing is maintained by automatic adjustment of dash of the tractor. Hydraulic control. Implements can be attached to tractor in two ways. One is drawbar and other is dash 3-point linkage. To improve the traction of a rear wheel in puddling operation, dash are recommended. Cage wheels are recommended. The compressive strength of a tires is given by dash of tires. Ply rating. The angle between the center line of the tire and the vertical lines is camber angle. The horizontal distance between the front and rear wheels of the tractor measured at the ground contact is dash wheelbase. To stop the movement of tractor, pull the dash to reduce the engine speed, throttle lever. The height of the lowest point of tractor from the ground surface, the tractor being loaded to its maximum permissible weight is dash ground clearance. Noise of the tractor is measured with a sound meter. Tra- Tractor engine is used as a prime mover for active tools and stationary. Farm machinery through dash, PTO or belt pulley. The sound level of agriculture tractor should not exceed 90 decibels of sound meter. The force required in the direction of a travel to overcome the resistance is dash rolling resistance. In tractor, to maintain the uniform depth of operation, dash is used. Position control. The inflation pressure in rear wheels of tractor is 0.8 to 1.5 kg centimeter square. In wheel type tractor, wheel slippage is about 15 to 20 percentage. Useful life of pneumatic tires is dash working hours, 6000 working hours. A dash is a device by which the pulling of tractor is transmitted to the trailing implement, a drawbar. The prime mover in which the direction of a travel and its control for field operation performed by the operator walking behind is known as dash power trailer. In tractor, dash type of hydraulic pump is used, gear type hydraulic pump is used. In cropping pattern, dash HP tractor is suitable for 60 hectares farm, 50 to 55 HP tractor is suitable for 60 hectares farm. Flat belts are available in the range from dash centimeter 25 to 50. Hydrokinetic transmission is known as dash torque converter. When two shafts are close to each other, other in compact from dash type of transmission is recommended. Gear device. In power tiller, dash type of clutch is used. Dog clutch is used. The dash is a gear reduction unit in the power trains between a differential and a drive wheels. Final drive. The dash is used to connect and disconnect the tractor engine from transmission gears and drive wheels. Clutch. Tractor manufacturing was started in India by first manufacturer MS Eicher. Tractor having a 3 or 4 pneumatic wheels is called as wheel tractor. The tractor is a self-propelled power unit having a wheels or tracks for operating agriculture implements. This dash is used to stop or slow down the motion of the tractor system. Brake. The angle between the center line of the kingpin of the tractor and the vertical line is dash caster angle. Engagement and disengagement of clutch is very smooth due to larger surface area of friction. Member is dash multiple disc clutch. The dash is used for storing hydraulic oil for the system. Hydraulic tank. The inflation pressure of the front wheel of tractor varies between 1.5 to 2.5 kg per centimeter square. Walking type tractor are known as power tiller. Thanks for watching this video.
ఎప్పుడు మేము సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోమనటం మానవైతే, బట్ ఫర్ ఏ చేంజ్ ఈసారి అందరూ కలిసి గంటతో పాటు లైక్ బటన్ కూడా గట్టిగా కొట్టండి. సైనింగ్ ఆఫ్ వంశీకృష్ణ.